Hi guys, good morning to one and all. This is G. Penchlaya. I am studying 3rd BTech in Adi Shankara Institution of Technology. Today, my tech talk presentation in the subject computer networks. What are the representation of data on its flow networks and what is definition of a computer networks? What are the data communication components including computer networks? What are the different types of protocol including in computer networks? First of all, we discuss now representation of data and its flow networks. The representation of data, in the form of data, we have to representation in three types. Those are bit, byte, word. Bit is nothing but 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1 bit consisting of the zeros or ones is called a bit formation. Next of all, what are the data communication components including? Those are messages and sender and receiver, transmission media and protocol. First of all, messages. Coming to part of messages, the name itself represented as the messages is the information or data to be communicated popular form or information including text and audio, pictures, videos. These called messages. Simply say that messages is nothing but in the form of information, like it is video and audio is called messages. Next, sender is nothing but the sender. It is the device that sends the data messages. It can be computer and workstations and telecommunication, handset, video, camera and so on. These are called a sender. Next, coming to part of receiver is nothing but the name itself represented as receiver means receiving something. That means the receiver is a device that receives the message. It can be a computer, workstations, a telecommunication, handset, and television, and so on. Is called a receiver. Next, coming to part of transmission medium. In transmission medium is nothing but the transmission medium is a physical path by which a messages travel from sender to receiver. Some example transmission media include the twisted pair and coaxial cable and radios. These are called a transmission media. And next, coming to part of protocol. Protocol is nothing but to follow the certain rules and regulation. The information transfer from one device to another device is called a protocol. Next, coming to part of what are the different data representations. First of all, data flow. Data flow consisting of a three types of layers. Those are a simplex and half duplex and full duplex. Simplex is nothing but only single direction is there, that information is transferred from sender to a receiver, that is mini frame to monitor. Next, what is duplex? That means half duplex. Alpha means represented as a half of the duplex, and in a half duplex is nothing but direction of the data time at 1 and direction of the data time at 2. These are both directions in the information is called half duplex, and full duplex is nothing but and direction of the data at all the times. Whenever the data is there, that data can be transformed at the particular direction is not there, but at any direction the data will be allocating is called a full duplex. Next, networks and distributed processing and network carriers. These all are called a comes under to a data flow configuration. Next, coming to part of what are the topologies including in the computer networks. First of all, topology. Topologies is nothing but there are different types of topologies. Those are a bus topology, star topology and ring topology, mesh topology and hybrid topology. First of all, coming to part of the mesh topology. Mesh topology is nothing but in a mesh topology, every device has to a dedicated point to point link. Every other devices that turn defined means the link carrier the traffic only between the two devices. In simply that mesh topology is nothing but it is a connection of the information to move at one device to another device, point to point to link. That concept is called mesh topology. See this diagram, we can easily understanding of the mesh topology. In this mesh topology, like a different systems are there. Different systems, the sharing of the information from one system to another system to one system, this system to that system to this system is called a mesh topology. Next, coming to part of coming to part of advantages and disadvantages of mesh topology. The use of the dedicated link generated that each connection of carry own data is called a mesh topology. Next disadvantages. In disadvantages of mesh topology, the amount can be coupling between the every devices is called a disadvantages. Next fall, coming to part of bus topology. Bus topology is the same type of mesh topology. In bus topology is nothing but every device has to dedicate point to point link at the dedicated link is called a bus topology. Coming to part of ring topology. In ring topology is nothing but the group of systems in the form of ring is called a ring topology. And mesh topology is already there. And hybrid is nothing but a collection of the systems in a certain formation is called a hybrid. Is nothing, for example, in parent to in grandfather to comes at fathers and fathers coming to the grandchilds is called a hybrid technology. These are hybrid technology types and agglomerate and divisive. These are compulsory not related to hybrid. Thank you friends, I am given opportunity.